Hi, this is Sarah Marks, one of the librarians here at UMass Lowell. For this video, we're going to discuss the difference between primary and secondary sources in relation to history research. There's a very unique difference between primary and secondary sources when it comes to research in the humanities, especially history. In history, primary sources consist of journals or diaries in this case, newspapers, because they provide evidence of an event, original manuscripts, what an author might write as they're preparing a book for publication, or speeches, letters, videos, audio files, pictures, and images. These are all original documents, creating some sort of evidence of something that happened in a time and place or about a person. Secondary sources, on the other hand, are what are written after using these sources. So those are journal articles, books, and again, newspapers. Newspapers hit both primary and secondary because they're, in the primary sense, referencing an event, something has happened that's reported on, but also newspapers become information sources about the publication of a book or the discovery of something, so that we can use them to become sources as a secondary source. The difference is important, and if your professors ask you to find primary sources, they want you to look in an archive. An archive will help you find a way to get the digitized content from their collection. So here at UMass Lowell, we often digitize things about Paul Tsongas from Congress or Jack Kerouac, who's an author born and raised in Lowell. We digitize their content and put it online for researchers who can't necessarily come. That doesn't mean everything is online and available for free. In some cases, researchers have to go to the physical archive and see the item for themselves. But if you need help finding an archive or distinguishing if something's a primary or secondary source, ask your professor or ask one of the librarians. We're here to help.